Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome to Gurbani Vichar session. We'll continue doing Gurbani Vichar on Rehras Bani. Before we start this session, let us do ardas in our minds that Vaheguru Ji makes us capable of understanding the Gurbani that has been bestowed on us by our Sadgurus. And before we start the session, let us recite Shlok from Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Ad Gure Namahe, Jugat Gure Namahe, Sat Gure Namahe, Shri Guru Devai Namahe. Dandot Bandan Anik Baar, Sarab Kala Samrat, Dolan Te Rakho Prabhu, Nanak Dekar Hat. Today we'll continue the Rehras Bani Vichar from Ang 10, page 10 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. This Bani, Rehras Bani, is one of the Nitne Banis which is to be recited in the evening time. So far, it's from Ang, it starts at Ang 8, right after Japji Sahib Bani is completed. So far we have gone over the Ang 8, 9, and we're continuing from Ang 10 of Rehras Bani in Guru Granth Sahib. The title of this Bani, as you see, it says Rag Asa, Mahalla Chautha, Sopurak. So again, we talked about the titles and how they are a little different, but all of them have one thing for sure in them is the name of the rag, of the music melody which is prescribed for reciting that Bani. As Bani comes to Satgurus, which has been written for us, they also prescribe to us of how we have to recite it. How, when we sing it, how do we sing it? What are the notes, arrangement of notes we have to follow, which are in the rag, which in that particular rag. So this is in Rag Asa. Mahalla Chautha, that is the fourth Sikh Guru. It's written under the title of Mahalla Pehla, Mahalla Tuja, Mahalla Tija, Mahalla Chautha. And first, there's 31 rags under which you see the Bani in Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Within every rag, it's in the order of of each of the Gurus, first by Mahalla Pehla, then by Mahalla Tuja, and then after all the Sikh Gurus, then there's Bhagat Bani. Right? That's how the order is. So in Rehras Bani, there is there's different shabads which are taken from different gurus. So this is by Shri Guru Amar Das Ji, Mahalla Chautha, and it is also has a name to it. It's called Sopurak. It's Rag Asa Mahalla Chautha Sopurak Ikunkar Satgur Prasad. So we the very first Bani which was for we started after Japji Sahib is Sodar Bani, right? So this Bani is called Sopurak Bani. So Sopurak mean that Purak. So Purak is the word which is used for that one Vaheguru who has been there, who had been beyond ages, who had been there, who is there, and who is always going to be there. That's the word which is used throughout Guru Granth Sahib Ji for that one divine. It's also in the Mool Mantar. We read about that, right? So it says, So Purak, that one divine God. So Purak, and then there's a title, the smaller version. There's a Mool Mantar lines, there are opening lines in Shri Guru Granth Sahib which come before every rag. And there's this version of Ikunkar Satgur Prasad, which is going to remind us again and again about Ikunkar, that Vaheguru, that one divine existence. And then it says Satgur Prasad, you can obtain that Vaheguru, you can merge with that Vaheguru through Satgur Prasad, through the grace of Satguru. It's reminding us that again. So what is in this Shabad? It's So Purak Niranjan, Har Purak Niranjan, Har Agma Agam Apara. It's again trying to enlighten our mind with the reality about that one divine which is so difficult to explain, to comprehend, to understand. So Purak Niranjan, he says that Vaheguru, that God who has been there, eternal Vaheguru. Niranjan, it's without any mark. Anjan is for the black mark, right? It's without any mark, it's immaculate. Har Purak Niranjan, that pure being, that Har, the word is again used, that Hari, that Vaheguru, that Har Purak is pure being. Har Agma Agam Apara, that pure being is beyond our reach, inaccessible, cannot reach there, cannot access it. Agma Agam Apara, and it's limitless Apara. You don't know the limits of it. We cannot, as a human mind, we cannot understand the limits of it. सब त्यावें तुझी हर सच्ची सिरजनहारा. Says त्यावें है. Everybody is contemplating on you. They're meditating on you. All सब त्यावें तुझी. Tud is you. Everybody, all are meditating, contemplating on you. Sab means all your creation. Har Sache Sirjanhara, O Har, O Vaheguru, Sache, O True One, Sirjanhara. Sirjanhara is again creating, the one who has the capability of creation, of creating. This O True Creator God. Sab ji tumhare ji, tu jiya ka datara. Is all of this creation, all of these living beings, they belong to you. Sab ji tumhare ji, tu jiya ka datara. You are the giver to all of those living beings. Har tyavo santo ji, sab dukh visaran hara. He's calling santo ji, O saints, O holy saints. Sant is for saints. Har tyavo. Meditate on them, or that Vaheguru. Tyavo is remember him, meditate on him. Sab dukh visaran hara, all the sufferings will be removed. Visaran hara. He's the one who will make you forget all the sufferings. You will have so much peace if you are in remembrance of him, that all the sufferings will be removed. Har ape Thakur, har ape Sevak ji. He himself is the master. Har ape Sevak ji, he himself is the servant too. Kya Nanak Jant Vichara. Oh Nanak, what can this Jant, this being, this humble person, what can this humble person do? Vichara, this poor humble person. Here Vichara is used for poor, who cannot do much, nothing much is in such a person's control. Harapi, he himself is the master, and he himself is the devotee making you do his devotion. It's him who is making you do his seva. What is in the hands of such humble being, of us as the poor people? Tu kat kat antar, sarab nirantar ji, har eko purak samana. Again, it's telling what you are in every heart, in everything. Sarab, kat kat antar, you are inside every heart. Sarab nirantar. Everywhere, nirantar is forever. You're happening all the time. Har ekho purak samana. You, O Har, you are the one, and you are the one who is in all the beings. You are merged You are there in all the beings, in everyone, in everything. Ik date, ik Bhikhari ji, sab tere choj vidana. He says, we see there are some who have abundance and they give charities. They are date. And there's some who are like beggars, who are Bhikhari, beggars. Sab tere choj vidana. Choj vidana is these are all your wonderful play, drama. This is your wonderful drama. Vidana this is interesting, wonderful plays you're playing. Tu ape data, ape pukta ji. How tudbin avarna jana. He says, you yourself is giver. You are the data, ape pukta ji. You yourself is a consumer too. How tudbin avarna jana. I do not see anybody else. I do not know anybody else. Avar, nobody else I know. Tu par brahm, beyant beyant ji, tere kya gun aakho khana. You are the par brahm, the beyond brahm. Beyant beyant. You are beyond limits. Tere kya gun aakho khana. Who am I to tell any virtues, any gun of yours? How can I say them? Bukhana is how can I say them? Par Brahm is something beyond our reach. The transcendental Brahm. Jo sev hai tujhi, jo Nanak tin kurbana. This is those who have devoted to you, who are serving you. Sev hai tujhi. Jan Nanak tin kurbana. This being, this says, oh Nanak, this being, the servant of yours is sacrificed to you. So that's the second of that Sopurak, the second Shabad from that Sopurak Bani. Let's recite that whole third verse here, and then we'll go over the the meanings for that. It says, Har tyave tuji, se jan jug mein sukhvasi, se mukat paye jin har tyaya ji, tin tuti jam ki fasi. Jin nirbhav jin har nirbhav tyaya ji, tin ka pao sab kawasi. There's also writing here in the English script, so Roman script, so you can read along as I recite it. जिन सेव्या मेरा हर जी ते हर रूप समासी से तन जिन हर त्याया जी जो नानक दिन बल जासी. So let's do the meanings of it. The very first line, this is हर त्यावे तुझी से जन जुग में सुखवासी. हर त्यावे, those who त्यावे, think of you, remember you, recite your name. O Hari, O Vaheguru, Tujji, you, se jan, such beings, Jug mein hai sukhvasi. In this Jug, in this world, Jug is mainly the time period of the whole universe, right? In this world, they are at peace. Sukhvasi, they remain in this world with that peace. Se mukat bhai, jinhar tyaya ji. They are liberated. They become liberated. Mukat bhai, jinhar tyaya ji, who have remembered you. Tin tuti jam ki fasi. They are rid of that noose of death. You know, Fancy is the noose for the death sentence, the hanging till that, they put the noose. That's that Fancy. Fancy, noose of death. This is also used for Jam, right? The Dharma, justice, God of justice, Dharma. If you are within that Karam Jal and the reincarnations and right, it's just that somebody is looking at your old deeds, and then it says Jam ki fasi tin tuti, that it is broken, that jam ki fasi, that fasi is broken from that dharma, that God of justice, for these people who get liberated by remembering the God. जिन निर्भाव जिन निर्भाव त्याया जी तिनका पाओ सब गवासी. It says those who have remembered that nirbhav, the one which is beyond fear, without fear, that fearless God, those who have remembered, meditated on that fearless God, tinka pao sab gvasi, all their fear goes away. They understand, they have faith, they understand what they're going through is within the drama, within the play, within the hukum of Vaheguru. Right? Their fear is gone. Jin sevya mera harji, te har roop samasi. Those who have served you, oh my God, Savior, those who have served you, te har roop samasi. You know, the samasi is you merge, they are absorbed into that Vaheguru's being in his roop. Se tan, jinhar tyaya ji, jananak tin bal jasi. Such people are blessed, they are fortunate, tan hai, who are meditating, remembering that Vaheguru. O Nanak, I am sacrifice to them. So that's the fourth verse here, fourth pada, fourth stanza of this Shabad. Teri Pagat, as I'm reciting it, you can also try to recite either by looking at the Punjabi, the Gurmukhi script or the Roman script. Teri Pagat Pandar ji pare beyant beyanta, Tere Pagat slahan tudji, har anik anek ananta, Teri anik kare har puja ji, tab tape jape beyanta, Tere anek pade bho simrit saas ji, kar kirya khat karam karanta, se pagat pale jan nanak ji, jo paave mere har bhagavanta. It's about the devotees, the Pagat. Pagat is the devotees of that Vaheguru. Teri Pagat Pandar ji pare beyanta. This is your Pandar, your treasures are filled with your worship. There's so many people who are worshipping you that your treasures are filled, all full. Beyanta, countless treasures are there of your worship. Tere Pagat, slahan tuji, your devotees, all of your devotees, they keep praising you, slahan. Har anik ananta, they keep praising you in so many different ways, in limitless, ananta, limitless, infinite ways, in variety of ways, in infinite ways. Teri anik kare har puja ji, tap tape jape beyanta. This is, there are many. There are so many who are doing prayer for you, puja, worshipping you. Tap tape jape beyanta. Yes, there are so many ways. What are they doing? Tap. They're doing the tap or they are doing the jap. So the tap is when one go through a lot of difficulties and hardships. You know, there's tap where you sit, here it's written close to the bonfires, you stand on one feet, do tap, you stand on your head and do tap. You know, there's so many different ways in the Purathan old Granths to seek for the seekers on this path. Whatever, there are so many people in so many past history, in years, who have been doing whatever they have been told to do. You know, once that awakening happens, that yes, there is something beyond it and you have to find it. There are people who go on that spiritual path, and there are very few who just right in the beginning can come across Sadguru, come across Gurbani. do whatever they are told to do. They wander in jungles, they do all these tapas. Taps, Somebody tells them stand on one leg, do this, jap, they do that. So that's tap, going through hardships. Japa is when you sit down and recite. That's called japna. So many are doing Byant, many are chanting your name, or many are doing that hard ways of worshipping, of doing tap for you. तेरे अनेक पढ़े बहुत सिमरत सास जी. There's so many who are reading, studying, पढ़े बहुत सिमरत शास्त्र. Simriti and Shastra. Simrit and Shastra are the ancient religious books of Hindus. There's so many of them who are reading through them. Kar Kirya Khat Karm Kranta. They are doing so many rituals. There's a rituals in this old ancient, some religious books about doing different kind of rituals, rituals there to be done. That's what Khat Karam is part of those rituals. They perform kind of rituals and religious rites. They're told to do this. That's how they will find God. Se pagat pale jan Nanak ji, jo pave mere har pagvanta. He says they keep doing all of this, but such pagat, such devotees, pale are are good devotees, the true devotees. Jo pave mere har pagvanta, who become dear to you, who are pleasing to you. Then it says, Tu aad purakh aprampar karta ji, tu jewad avar na koi. And I'll recite the whole Shabad again. Tu aad purak aprampar karta ji, tu jewad avar na koi. Tu jug jug eko, sada sada tu eko ji. Tu nechal karta soi. Tud ape pave soi varte ji. Tu ape karhe so hoi. Tud ape shish sab upai ji. Tud ape sirj sab koi. Jan Nanak gun gawe karte ke ji, jo sabse ka janoi. He says, Tu aad purak. You are the primal being from the beginning, Ad, from the very beginning. Aprampar Karta ji, you are limitless creator. Tud Jevad Avar na koi, there's no one as great as you are. Tu Jug Jug Eko, Sada Sada Tu Eko ji. It's describing even more about it. From ages and ages, you have been that same one. Sada Sada, forever and ever. You have been that same one. Tu Nechal Karta Soi. Nechal is another beautiful word. It says one which remains unchanged. Sthir is another Punjabi word to it. That remains unchanged. You are the unchanged Karta, creator. You have been unchanged nature there forever. Tud ape pave soi varte ji, tu ape kare sohi. Whatever pleases to you, pave, soi varte ji happens, is happening. Tu ape kare, you do it, so hui, then everything happens. Everything happens to you according to your will. Tud ape shisht sab upai ji. You are the one who has created this entire sub-universe. Ape sir sab goi. And what else? Goi is destroy. And you are the one who can destroy it too. You create and then you destroy. There's jug jug. Many jug has happened. This whole universe has gone through this creation and destruction so many times. Jan Nanak gun gawe karte ke ji, jo sabse ka janoi. He says, O Nanak, I am singing the praises of that creator God who has created everything. Sabse ka janoi, who has created everything. So next Shabad, Asa Mahalla Chautha. So here it's just saying Asa is the name of the rag, and then again Mahalla Chautha by Guru Ram Das ji. तू करता सचार मेंढा साईं, जो तू पावे सोई थीसी, जो तू दे सोई हो पाई। रहाओ सब तेरी तू सबनी त्याया, जिसनु कृपा करे तिन नाम रतन पाया। गुरमुख लादा मनमुख गवाया, तुद आप विछोड़िया आप मिलाया. So describing more about that creator says, you are tu karta sachar menda sai. You are the creator, you are my true master. Sai, sachar, true master. Jo to pave soi thisi, jo tu de soi ho pai rao. Whatever you like, that happens. And whatever you give, we get it. And that's the Rahao line, the main message of the whole Shabad. Sab teri tu sabni tyaya. This whole creation belongs to you. Everyone meditates on you. Jisno kripa kare, tin naam ratan paya. Whoever you have your grace on, you do kirpa on, tin naam ratan paya. They get the ratan, the jewel of your name, your naam. Gurmukh Lada Manmukh Gawaya. That Gurmukh, the God-oriented person, they find the spiritual truth, the gains, Ladha, they get the profit from this birth, from this life. Manmukh Vaya, and those who are Manmukh, self-willed, self-oriented ones, they lose this Gavaya, they lose it, they lose their life purpose, they lose everything, they lose the main purpose of their life. Tud aap vichhodya aap milaya. Then he says, oh Vaheguru, it's you who has separated some which from you, vichhodya, and you have had some of us unite with you. Next he says, Tu daryao sab tujhi maaye, तुझ बिन दूजा कोई नाए, जी जन सब तेरा खेल, विजोग मिल विछड़िया संजोगी मेल. Says तू दरियाओ, you are the river, vast river. Sab tujhi maaye, the whole creation abides in you. So it's trying to again that same example of the river, and we stay. You are that daryao, and we are there, like existing as your waves. तुझ बिन दूजा कोई नाए is, oh Vaheguru, there's nobody else beside you. Ji Jant sab tera khel. All this Ji Jant, all these beings, these creatures, they are all sub your play, your drama, what you have created. Vijog mil vichhriya sanjogi mel. He says, by some principle of separation which you have, we are separated from you. Vijog, that's Vijog. Sanjogi is that some principle where of union with you. Then we meet with you, Sanjogi male. It's by the principle of separation, one is away from you, right? And by the principle of union, one is united with you. This is all your khed, your play, your drama. Next, it says, Jisno tu jane ye soi jin jane, har gun sadhi aakh vakhane, jin har sevya tin sukh paya, sehje hi har naam samaya. So jisno tu jane ye soi jin jane. It says, whoever you bless with your knowledge, jana hai, he has to know your knowledge. Soi jin jane, that person understands you. Hargun sadhi aakh ukhane. Then what happens after such person understands you? Then those people, they have attained your knowledge. They are constantly chanting your praise. Sadhi aakh ukhane. Jinhar sevya tin sukh paya. Says those who have served you. Sevya tin sukh paya. They are the one who get the peace and comfort. Sehje hi har naam samaya. And then effortlessly by Sehaj, they get absorbed into Vaheguru's name. Tu ape karta tera kiya sab hue. You are the one who is a creator. By your doing, everything happens. Tudh bin duja avar na koi. Without you, there is no one else. Tu kar kar vekhe, Jane soe. You yourself create and then you watch and you take care of everything, your whole creation. You are aware of all that is happening. Jane soe. You're aware of everything which is happening. Jan Nanak Gurmukh Pargat Hoye. He says, O Nanak, those who are Gurmukh, to them is revealed that Vaheguru. That greatness of God is revealed through the Guru orientation, through the Gurmukhs, to those who have their face towards Guru, who are moving in that direction, moving in the right direction towards the enlightenment, towards the purpose of their life. To them is that Vaheguru revealed. With this, we'll complete today's session. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki